Well, this will be the last part of the review for exam 1, and I've just tried to scan what I've written down and copied it onto this, and there will not be much sound input, but I hope you can understand everything that comes in. See, this is question 1, 2, and 3. Even if you cannot see the questions, you can go online and look at the questions, but I'm sure you can see the answers. In question 1, you are asked to find the displacement, the velocity after certain time intervals, and displacement is calculated using delta y is equal to v naught t, as you can see, plus 1/2 at squared, that you can see here, and velocity is calculated using vf is equal to v naught plus at. In question 2, the total distance and the displacement are to be calculated. Remember that distance is scalar, so you got to measure all along the path taken, but in displacement you just go from the starting point to the finishing point in that direction. That's why in the diagram displacement is shown to be from A to B, as you can see, and that's towards the west. In question 3, which is a neat little problem, you are asked to find the time taken for the second half of the journey, and this is continued on this side, so you may have to skip, go back and forth to see how this has been done. But basically the formula for average speed is total distance by total time, and the answer is 333 km per hour. Now on this page you have question number 4, which is straightforward. Initial velocity given, time, final velocity is 0, and you have to calculate the acceleration, and that's done using this equation. A is vf minus v naught by t. Negative sign shows that it's moving due west. Okay, and in number 5, a similar kind of question where you use the same formula, and there are 2 parts. You're also asked to find the speed at the end, which is the speed after 3.9 seconds. So that is 4 and 5. A sixth one is based on that average velocity is displacement over time, and since I did not get time to I've done the second part on top, that's what I was trying to say, and this one could be scratched out. That is a mistake that I made, and so I scratch out that part. So you have A right here, and then the B part is here. And question 7 is based on the diagram given down below. There are a series of questions that you probably could have answered, and I don't think I've taken all those parts. Question 9, we use a formula that is not normally used, that is, displacement is average velocity multiplied by time. That could be a very useful formula. And 10 is straightforward. To find the average velocity, just add the initial and the final and divide by 2. Now at this juncture, I just want to say, for those of you who are listening to these videos and those who are making use of all the resources that I put up there, that there is one question on the exam that is taken from chapter 1. One question taken from chapter 1, and you need to look at the definitions of precision, accuracy, how do you find the percentage uncertainty, look at the types of units in the SI, and just generally go through the more important parts of chapter 1. But there are 9 questions from 2 and 3. So totally there are 10 questions, and there's only one question having like 4 or 5 parts, simple definitions and ideas taken from chapter 1. Thank you and good luck.